Planning on doing some sewing this Christmas for your favorite people? Great Christmas gifts. I have some ideas for you. Show you what they are. Coming up. Hey, Chanel here, bringing you weekly videos to help you get better and better with your fashion sewing and be more creative too. So be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on a new video. Okay, another Christmas season is coming up. The pressure's on. What do you give your friends and your family? And the stores are bare. What stress. So, make some of your own projects. How's that? I have 3 fun ones for you. And the first one is the scarf right here. This is reversible. I actually have it, so I usually wear it black like this. Then it has the white in the inside. And it's fuzzy, fuzzy, fuzzy. I wear this one all the time. I wear it on the boat. And it's really great, fun scarf. And it's just so cozy, and it's easy to roll up. You roll it up, put it in your bag. So these are so much fun. They have like a scarf here. I also have a pattern where you can put a pocket on the bottom of that. I made this for a few years ago for some of my friends, like with their team colors. So they like the Panthers or the Los Angeles Chargers. You can get that fabric at Joann's. So here's another one. I love white, and I put this tie-dye on it. Fun pocket. And it has a little pocket. Needed to make that a little bit deeper, I think, when I did that, but that just keeps your hands cold too, or not cold, warm when they're cold. Then I actually made this one. This one's a little lighter weight, and it was like a corduroy fabric, and I put ears on it, so that was fun. Like that, and then you can wear it reversible also, wear it black like that. And then I had this beautiful silk jersey that I put green in this one, which is like a cheap fleece. But always get that really good luxe fleece. It's softer and it feels better, it doesn't pill and all. I have the pattern on my website. It looks like, this is top part of my website, and I think under it says stuff, and there's patterns there. Sometimes I switch them around though, so look for the patterns on my website, and you'll find the pattern is there, and the video instructions. And right now I have it at $9.99, but I'll give you a link below to get it for free. And I'll put the promo code on there if I haven't switched it over to be free. You'll find it anyway. This is what the Hoody Scarf pattern looks like. And you just tape it together, and voila, you have a pattern. It doesn't take too much yardage, so really fun gifts and useful too. So especially if you do like your friend's favorite colors or their teams or all that. So make a few of them at a time. Take a Saturday, make them, and your Christmas gifts are poof, they're done. Anyway, wow, if it were only that easy. Next up, we have the new kitchen boa. These have been. I found one of these about 1.5 years ago. We were in a store in Savannah, Georgia, and there was in a gift store, and I was like, well, I could make those. But I did buy the one that was there, and I gave it to my friend's husband, because he used to always think about him. He always have his towel on he loved to cook, and always throw his towel on there, and I was like, I was just seeing that and going, this would be perfect for him. So gave it to him for his birthday, and he just loves it. So he's always talking about it. So now, of course, we got to copy them, and they're so simple to make. I actually don't have a pattern for them, but I do have measurements. You want to cut a 44 inch? I think I cut it through the width of a 44-inch wide fabric, 13 inches wide. I would just tear them on the grain and just get strips, and they're so easy. This one I did, I found that really fun fabric at Joann's with the girls on it, and I made this one for my husband so he could be Tim Fun, as we called him at our sewing retreat. And then just did a contrast little piece here, and then a towel. These towels I got these at like Joann, or not Joann's. Oh yeah, actually I did get one at Joann's. The one I made for my husband, another one said chill by the fire or something like that. But these are from the dollar store, like these. So you can find all these little and solid ones too at the dollar store. And what you do is you just cut them in half They go, a lot of times there's front and back on them. You just cut them in half. And then I don't have a pattern for them, but I'm going to be making a video to come out next week. So you watch that video and you'll easily know how to make them because they're just so much fun. I also have, you just need like a contrast fabric. One trick is they tend to wrinkle up, and when you wash them, they kind of get spun around and they can get pretty wrinkly. So get a fabric that's got polyester in it, like a 50-50 or something, and it won't wrinkle up as much. Actually, we have taco night a lot at our house. So I made the taco boas, and this is like a cotton poly, and you wash this one, it doesn't get all wrinkled up either. So, so that's one little trick. This right here was I just ironed this. And who wants to iron their towels, right? So I had a cotton. This is just a cotton sateen, and it kind of bunches up. So get some polyester in your boas. We're just getting hot in here anyway. But also I found these towels at the dollar store. Just Believe and Inspire. It's on both sides, which is great because then you only need one towel, or you can also just do one solid towel. And this one's a roll with it. I like that. And just do like a navy or a red and do a little contrast on there. Pretty simple to make. Once you make a few, they get really simple. And that'd be a great gift for wrapping around any like cooking utensils, or anything like fun, like even grilling things. I just bought my husband grill lights. Or the spatulas with the lights on it. So make those and wrap it. Use it as wrapping paper. That's a good idea. Anyway, so next up is these I've been making for a long time, and they're the little wine jackets for they're so great to give as gifts. The problem is you do have to hold on, they do slide out. So I used to put double stick tape in there to kind of grip the bottle, so be careful with that. But it's just basically a Velcro jacket. Looks like this. It's a square. You line it with the fabric, and then this is actually the soft Velcro, and at Joann's you can get the whole loopy Velcro for 99 cents. I think it's like 3 yards, so it doesn't take a lot. And then this is just a foam that I got at the dollar store, and you just put it together real quick. I have instructions here. I will get this onto my website, and there's a pattern too. Completely forgot I did this. I've had these for a while, and I haven't made any. I actually at one point made a whole bunch of them, so I just have a lot. I also have, I don't know if the pattern's in here, but there's a shorter one. This is my kombucha. I actually have this kombucha. I bought it a couple days ago, and I can't open it. It's like stuck. I think I have to take it back to the store to get them to open it. Anyway, but these are good for those mason jars, like if you're making moonshine. My friend gave me some moonshine. It's not really moonshine. It's called cordial, but it's moonshine. And in the mason jars, and put little wine jackets on here too. These are also great for all kinds of holidays. You could do, when you find the fabric, like birthdays, they have all that birthday fabric, or if you're just going to a friend's house, like in the spring, and you want to get the little honey prints, like the bees, that kind of stuff. So, this could be just year round. So, have a pattern for that. I'll get that on my website, futurefashiondesigners.com, and up on the top it'll say stuff. If I moved it around, just search for patterns, and that'll be in there. And try some of these projects. They really, my friends, when I give them to them, I always you have to mark down who you gave to what. But even if I double did it like a couple years later, I'm sure they wouldn't mind. I'm sure it'll be different. And these are great, useful gifts, and they're unique. And I hope you make some. I'll see you in the next sew bit.